Hello everyone, I am Biplab Jana, heading BI division in Ginesys. I would like to welcome you all on today's webinar on how analytics can be invaluable for any retailers. To meet customers' retail needs, retailer must make huge effort to understand and even anticipate how customers think and act. One way of doing this is to tap into the power of retail data and analytics. From predicting trends to do forecasting demand for a product, retail analytics is invaluable for any retailer. It can even help you to optimize your pricing. In general terms, retail analytics is any information that allow retailer to make smarter decisions and manage their business more effectively and efficiently. This information can include anything from your available inventory to your inventory level to your supply chain movement to sales figure or even your customers' demand. If compiled correctly, the information acquired through the data will allow you as a retailer to make better decisions around your business, considering the current market scenario. Now, why is retail analytics so important for retailers? In a space such as retail, where competition is fierce, any possibility of a competitive edge should be welcomed with open arms. That is why retail analytics is so powerful. It allows you the opportunity to place yourself in the marketplace strategically. It also helps you to understand the sale contribution of all category and product in the business so that you can identify opportunity gap to see what stock to discontinue or to add to the range. Then there is a unit contribution where you can see which category, subcategory, segment, price range, or SKU are performing in terms of volume. Necessity versus luxury. Now, for example, due to the recent global crisis, retailer may see a dip in sale of high value product, that is the luxury items, comparing with the low value necessity items in the near future. As customer may not prefer to buy luxury items at this stage. So retailers may take proactive action on the high value product, particularly on the available inventory, its pricing, and future buying. Decision making, gut feel, or analytics. Now, instead of making decision based on your gut feel that is not grounded in data, using analytics, you will have the ability to anticipate what your customers need or want. This customer demand will in turn inform your assortment planning to ensure that the correct or most valued SKUs or items are listed and placed in the easy to find location. For example, gut feel may say to increase the inventory of high value product considering the forthcoming marriage season. But considering the current market scenario and previous sell trend, analytics may say something different. As we're talking here about the high value product, let's see how our advanced analytics solution can be used to do a comprehensive analysis for this type of product. Our advanced analytics solution for retail can help retailer to take business decision by seeing the actual data, not from any gut feel. This is developed using Clixsense, which is a leading BI tool for data analytics and visualization. Clixsense is a product of Click, which is one of the top BI software company based on US. How our solution can be used to analyze the high value product. As primarily we are talking about the luxury item versus necessity item, considering the price of a product, let's say how our solution can help to work on it. Besides giving you the ability to understand consumer behavior so that you can adjust your business accordingly, our solution can also be used to help you to achieve better price point on relevant products. One way of doing that is by comparing all datasets that are available, which will give you a bigger picture of product price within the marketplace. So as a retailer, it will allow you to determine when to drop pricing or what to do with the available inventory. This ability to know what the shopper is looking for will allow you to understand the price elasticity of a product, which means you know which product can get a price increase or decrease in the current situation and which should be regularly offered on promotion to sustain loyalty and also to liquidate the old inventory. Be proactive on your high value product. Let me show you how our advanced antic solution can effectively help you to do the price point analysis, particularly for the high value product having RSP more than 8,000. In the current situation, we may want to analyze the available inventory in this price range along with the inventory age, which may help to take a proactive decision on future buying, liquidation of the old inventory by discounting, or moving stock from non-performing store to performing store. Let's open our solution. So this is our solution. This is purely a web-based solution and can be accessed from anywhere with any device like phone, tab, or laptop. This solution is tightly integrated with Ginesys. Data will be automatically refreshed with the latest dataset. Now this solution is having multiple modules like stock, product, supply chain, merchandising. As today we are interested to do a high value product analysis, let's directly go to the price point module. So it is saying that this organization is working with product of multiple price range from 0 to 300 to more than 10,000. Now, as we're interested on high value product only, so we're selecting three price point, 8,000 to 9,000, 9,000 to 10,000, and more than 10,000. So in this way, we can select our desired dataset. Now, it is clearly visible that the product of 10,000, more than 10,000 price range, the sale contribution is higher compared with the others. Now, let's see the month-to-month sale trend in this product category. So it is clearly visible from month-to-month trend analysis that product on this price range not performing well since last 3 months. And this may be due to the current market scenario. And now, in the product level KPI, it is clearly visible that among the all other products, the ladies division is contributing mostly in this price range. So let's concentrate on ladies division only. I am selecting it. Now see, in this ladies division, lehenga and sari contributing most in this price range. So again, let's focus on these two products only. So I'm selecting lehenga and I'm selecting sari. Now, if we want to do analysis on these two products regularly in this particular price range, so we may create a bookmark of it. So every time, multiple selection will not require. Let me show you how we can do that. So in bookmark, create new bookmark, type the name of the bookmark, and then save. So now, if I deselect all the current selection like this, and want to get back that selection of high value product, I just have to open the bookmark and select it. So in this way, we can use the bookmark. Now, let's come to our main dashboard to see how these two products on the selected price range are performing in like-to-like period over the year. So I am opening our dashboard module. So it is comparing 2 years data, that is 1920 current year versus 1819 previous year. Now it is saying for the current year, the total sale amount in this price range for these two products is 25 CR or 256 million. By increasing in sale of 58% compared to the last year, which is a very good thing as per business. But now, while checking the month-to-month sale trend, it is quite alarming, showing a degrowth and sharp fall in sale in last 3 months, particularly February and March. On the other hand, available stock is 18.23 billion, that is 1800 CR, which is huge. Though sale is increased by 58%, inventory increased by almost 123%. Now, it may happen that after seeing the huge growth till December, additional purchase may be done for this product. But current global problem impacted a lot in the business and reason for this huge leftover inventory. So now the major challenge is to keep this stock in safe till everything goes normal. And for that, we have to identify the exact location where it is placed right now. And secondly, works need to be done to identify the old inventory so that it can be cleared by giving additional discount, or the product can be shifted from the non-performing store to the performing store. So from this dashboard, it is identified that 48% of stock is stored only in a single store, that is Vasant Square. That immediate request to be moved to some other stores, or some proper action may require to take to protect the stock from damage. So I'm just creating a snapshot of this to share with the retail and SCM team for the proper action in future. So I'm now creating a snapshot, just giving a name, issue in Basan Square. I'm just saving it for future analysis. Now, as in this particular store, the 48% inventory is there. So I would like to analyze a bit details for this store. So I'm selecting this store. Now, it is saying in this store we are having 23% degrowth in sale, but 115% increase in stock. So there might be certain serious issue in the store from retail and SCM perspective. And as an owner, you may want to keep a note on that for future discussion with those teams. So I'm making a bookmark on it. Issue in Basan Square for retail and SCM. I'm just saving it so that I can able to use this bookmark in the future while discussing this with my team. Now, apart from this Basan Square, how to identify from where the stock have to be moved or cleared at an immediate basis, which are the other stores. Because at this current stage, our major concern point is the huge leftover stock. So I'm just deselecting the store so that the all store data is available in the analysis. And now to identify the stores where the inventory is lying, that can be done by two ways in our solution. Firstly, by identifying the location where the stock is not selling since, say, September 2019. That is for more than 180 days. We can do this using non-moving product analysis, which is available under product module. So I'm just selecting the product module. So this is the non-moving item report or analysis. Now, I just want to see the stores where this product is not getting sold a single piece since 1st of September. So I'm just selecting that period, September 19, and then 31st March. And I just only want to see those stores where at least 5 weeks of stock is there. So I'm setting the parameter like this. stock quantity greater than 5, and again sell through say less than 30%. Now I just want to generate the report, so I want in this report the store name. So from the dimension list I'm selecting site. Okay, and now I just want the amount figured in crore, so selecting crore. So my system is saying I'm having two stores, DLF Imperio and Star City Mall, where 2 CR and 32 CR stock is currently there on this high value product, which is not getting sold a single piece since 1st of September. So we may take an immediate decision to remove the stock from the stores. Now I just want to add the product name in this report. So I'm adding the product. Now from this list of field, we can add any other field as well. Say for example, product brand, product size, color, style, like that. And as this report gets generated, I may want to keep this in Excel for future reference. So I'm just downloading it. Right click, export, export data, close. See, this particular report is converted in Excel very easily. Now, in this way, we can able to identify the non-moving product in certain store, right? Now, secondly, we may want to identify the product performance in all the stores, and on the basis of that, the system recommendation for inter-store transfer. So for this purpose, let's go to the supply chain module. Now, this is our supply chain module, and this analysis is called the product shuffling. So if we see both this KPI, in the left hand side, it is giving the name of some stores where the sell-through is literally good, 24%, 23%. So these stores are the good store for this product. But again, in the right hand side, we're having certain stores like DLF Emporia, Star City Mall, Dreams, where the sell-through is less than 10%. So by seeing these two KPI, we may take a decision that from the non-performing store, we can move this product to the performing store or the good store. Now, we may want a details report for this. So let's go to the details report. So this is the details report. And now I just want to mark the good store and the bad store. So as per me, if the sell-through is greater than 20%, marked in green, and if the sell-through is less than 15%, marked in red. So if we just make this particular report a big full screen, Now, system is showing a list of all the stores with the sell through percentage. If I make a descending with sorting on sell through, so see, there are some stores which is marked in green. So in these stores, this product of sari and lehenga in this price range of more than 8,000 is selling good. But we are having some other stores where the sell through is 0% or less than 10% as well. So we may take a decision to move this stock of this non-performing store to the performing store on the basis of various other parameters like average sell day, inventory days, sell quantity, etc. So in all those red marking stores, we can decrease the stock by transfer it to the other stores, or we can try to sell this by giving additional discount. And thirdly, as we already have sufficient stock in sari and lehenga in this price range, another decision can be taken as owner to immediately cancel all the pending orders for this product. We don't need additional inventory right now. And secondly, we can take another decision to stop future buying at least for some more periods for these products. So in this way, retailer can take proactive decision on high value product in the current situation using our solution. So this brings us the end of this session. Thank you all for spending time with me. Bye.